Double-hung window installation is a popular choice for homeowners in Lafayette seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. Our Lafayette window installation experts specialize in providing top-notch double-hung window replacement services, ensuring a seamless fit and superior performance. With a focus on energy-efficient windows, we help you achieve significant energy savings while improving your home's comfort, making double-hung windows Lafayette an ideal upgrade. Window sash replacement is essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows. Our Lafayette window installation experts offer comprehensive window sash replacement services, ensuring your windows operate smoothly and look their best. Whether you need a simple installation or a complete overhaul, our team is equipped to handle all your window needs, including double-hung windows Lafayette. Energy-efficient windows Lafayette are designed to reduce energy consumption and lower utility bills. Our custom window solutions include a range of energy-efficient options tailored to your specific needs. By choosing our Lafayette window installation services, you can enjoy enhanced comfort and significant energy savings throughout the year, especially when upgrading to double-hung windows Lafayette. Custom window solutions are available for homeowners seeking unique designs and functionality. Our Lafayette window design consultation services help you explore various window style options, ensuring your new windows complement your home's architecture. From traditional to modern designs, we offer a wide range of custom windows Lafayette to suit your preferences, including double-hung windows Lafayette. Window glass replacement is a vital service for maintaining the clarity and efficiency of your windows. Our Lafayette window glass services include expert window pane replacement, ensuring your windows remain clear and energy efficient. Whether you need a single pane replaced or a complete overhaul, our team is ready to assist with solutions compatible with double-hung windows Lafayette. Home window upgrades Lafayette are an excellent way to enhance your property's value and curb appeal. Our window installation experts offer a variety of home window upgrades, including energy-efficient windows and custom designs. With our Lafayette window installation services, you can transform your home with stylish and functional options such as double-hung windows Lafayette. Window seal installation is essential for preventing drafts and maintaining energy efficiency. Our Lafayette window seal installation services ensure your windows are properly sealed, reducing energy loss and improving comfort. Trust our experts to provide reliable window seal installation solutions for homes with double-hung windows Lafayette. Window hardware replacement is necessary for ensuring the smooth operation of your windows. Our Lafayette window hardware services include comprehensive replacement and installation options, ensuring your windows function flawlessly. From locks to handles, we offer a wide range of window hardware Lafayette solutions suitable for double-hung windows Lafayette. Lafayette window insulation services are designed to enhance your home's energy efficiency and comfort. Our team provides expert window insulation solutions, reducing heat loss and improving indoor climate control. With our Lafayette window insulation services, you can enjoy a more comfortable and energy-efficient home, especially with double-hung windows Lafayette. Window pane replacement Lafayette is a crucial service for maintaining the clarity and efficiency of your windows. Our experts provide reliable window pane replacement services, ensuring your windows remain clear and functional. Trust our team to handle all your window glass replacement needs, including projects involving double-hung windows Lafayette. For those seeking double-hung window installation in Lafayette, our team of window installation experts offers top-notch services tailored to your needs. We specialize in double-hung window replacement Lafayette, ensuring your home benefits from the latest in energy-efficient windows Lafayette. Our Lafayette window installation services are designed to enhance your home's aesthetic and functional appeal with double-hung windows Lafayette. Lafayette window installation experts are here to address all your window frame installation and window sash replacement needs. Our custom window solutions in Lafayette provide a personalized touch, ensuring your windows are both stylish and functional. Whether you need window glass replacement or window seal installation, our team is equipped to handle it all, including services for double-hung windows. Lafayette. Window style options in Lafayette are vast, offering a range of designs to suit any home. Our window design consultation services help you choose the perfect windows for your space. From window pane replacement Lafayette to window hardware replacement, we ensure every detail is perfect, especially when upgrading to double-hung windows. Lafayette. Lafayette window glass services include window UV protection and window security features to keep your home safe and comfortable. Our window screen replacement and window cleaning services Lafayette ensure your windows remain in pristine condition. Trust our window maintenance Lafayette team for all your upkeep needs, including those involving double-hung windows. Lafayette. Window installation Lafayette comes with a comprehensive window installation warranty, providing peace of mind for your investment. Our Lafayette window replacement cost is competitive, ensuring you receive the best value for your money. With our window experts Lafayette, you can be confident in the quality and durability of your new double-hung windows. Lafayette. For those interested in custom windows Lafayette, our window measurement services ensure a perfect fit every time. Our window design Lafayette team works closely with you to create windows that complement your home's architecture. With our Lafayette window insulation and window UV protection, your home will be more energy efficient and comfortable year-round, especially with double-hung windows. Lafayette. Window screen services Lafayette offer a range of options to enhance your home's ventilation and security. Our Lafayette window measurement services ensure precise installation, while our window maintenance services keep your windows functioning optimally. Trust our Lafayette window weatherproofing solutions to protect your home from the elements, including those around double-hung windows. Lafayette. Window hardware Lafayette is essential for smooth operation and longevity. Our window hardware replacement services ensure your windows open and close with ease. With our Lafayette window energy savings solutions, you can reduce your carbon footprint and save on utility bills, especially when paired with double-hung windows. Lafayette. Lafayette window cleaning services keep your windows sparkling and clear, enhancing your home's curb appeal. Our window installation experts provide thorough and efficient service, ensuring your windows are installed correctly and securely. With our Lafayette window replacement cost options, you can find a solution that fits your budget while upgrading to double-hung windows. Lafayette. Window security Lafayette is a priority for homeowners looking to protect their property. Our window security features provide peace of mind, while our window noise reduction Lafayette services create a more serene living environment. Trust our Lafayette window UV protection to shield your home from harmful sun exposure, especially when you have double-hung windows. Lafayette.